countryside, picking flowers on the way. Once a wedding pair didn't seem to care, they were full of love, I guess. Honeymoon started far too soon on the Wigan Boat Express. One chap one day where the girl got gay, I saw that boat for rent. She got what for in the corridor on the Wigan Boat Express. When we shone, backs in front and the front parts in the rear, we survived, then we'll arrive alongside Wigan Pier. Cried a lady who called a doctor do think I'm in distress. She's feeling shocks in signal box on the Wigan Boat Express. One day, the train was standing still. Said we can't wait here all day, so we pushed it up the hill. It was wet or fine, started at 9, we from Thomas confess. By 1:30, 2 miles we'd gone on the Wigan Boat Express. One chap I saw on the engine floor, he'd gone to sleep I guess. He woke to find, standing behind on the Wigan Boat Express. When we shone, backs in front and the front parts in the rear, we survived, then we'll arrive alongside Wigan Pier. Mrs. Brown looks well, it's sad to tell, on the door she tore her dress. Sunshine gave through a permanent way on the Wigan Boat Express. Backs in front and the front parts in the rear, we'd arrive alongside Wigan Pier. In the sleeping car, they go too far, all mixed up more or less, but they rearrange when schedule change on the Wigan Boat